All right, class, let's put your pencils down. All eyes on me. All right, we made it, right? End of the school year. Really proud of you guys. Thank you so much for listening. Look, I have one thing I want you guys to realize before you guys leave this class. Whatever you do in life, you can't do it alone. Guys, remember, 10 days, final project. Don't forget.
Football, it was nice to relax today with 12 hours of eating, drinking, and watching football. There's some big matchups today. You had Oakland versus Kansas City, San Francisco versus Baltimore, and Americans versus the Baptist. American Fox.
Sage! Hey! Oh my gosh! I'm so glad you're here. I didn't think you'd make it.
Thanks for inviting me over.
Yeah, no worries.
I hate being home alone.
Yeah, I know what it's like.
I really missed you guys.
Hey, it's okay. That's why we're here to party it up like the good old days. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Hey, I'm here if you ever need anything, okay?
Okay.
So, where have you been, stranger?
Sorry, I haven't been around much. Just been busy.
Yeah, we missed you. No, you know what? It's my bad for not reaching out. I just thought maybe you were stressed about AP classes. I know I am.
I just haven't been myself, you know?
I feel like that too sometimes. Like I'm not myself. But I have someone I talk to when that happens. Maybe that's something you can try.
Maybe. Hey, Mr. L, you got a second to talk?
Yeah, come on in. Yeah, come on.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I've been like not focused in class and just not myself. So
It's all right. I think it's actually quite normal with